Oh hey there YouTube, what's going on? It's your neighborhood redneck back at you again. And today, we're going to check out a little product from a company called VANMASS. Let's take a looky. So, what I have here is the Easy Clip car mount. It's from VANMASS. Right here on the top says "Make Life Simple." So, let's get it opened up and see what's inside. It's got the clip itself. Ball mount adjustment, suction pad, I think. Yep. Alright. Looks like we get their sticky suction cup mount here, so you can peel and stick it to anything, pretty much. You got a VIP Make Life Simple card here. Got a 3-year warranty. It's got a QR code. Looks like we got the user manual. Let's get to the holder here. It's got gears inside of here, so it's supposed to be noise free. Nice soft rubber padding here. Don't scratch your phone, make sure it's got a good grip on it. So, just got a simple button here. Just push it. Springs open. Set your phone right in there. Squeeze it tight. Simple as that. Ready to go. You just release it and grab your phone, you're gone. Looks like right here on the back, you got the swivel ball mount. Just goes right in there, tighten it down. Drop it back in. Tighten it up. There you go. This one's for your car vents. That'd be nice and simple. Check out the other mount. So, looks like we got the suction cup. Supposed to be 3 times as strong, so they claim. And you got a nice long arm here that's pretty stiff. Bend it any angle you need. And then it also has a peel and stick pad here for this mount. Place it anywhere you need it. So, that'll be pretty nice. I think I'm going to stick mine to my windshield and have it come down. Then if you want to put it on your dashboard and it's got texture to it, you know how a suction cup ain't going to work there. So they have here is a plastic plate. Real slick and shiny there. On the back side it's got a peel and stick and peel it off. Place it, and then you can put the suction cup on it, just like so. And it looks like some extra sticky pads for the mount here. Alrighty. It's pretty stiff, high grade plastic and rubber here. Should last, won't break easy or melt in the sun. Simple flip lever design here on the suction cup. Made it simple. Got their company logo right there. I'll put a link to this in the description, of course. Let's see. They left you plenty of room for your charger, and it says it supports thick cases. I just have my Note 20 5G here. And that's locked in there real nice. Cool. All right, we're out here in the car with the mount on this wonderful windy day. So first thing you want to do is take the mount, then you want to unthread the locking nut off the back. Then you want to take that locking nut and slide it over the ball mount itself, and then snap the ball right back into the mount again. Once you do that, go ahead and thread it on and just make it snug so you can still move it around really easy. I'm going to flip the latch out on the suction cup. Make sure we peel the sticky plastic off. Then we're going to go ahead, place it on the windshield, move it where we need it. Snap the lever back down. Then you can move the arm wherever you need it. Tighten the locking nut. Now it's on there. Pretty simple. And that bad boy is on there. That's got some suction. I can't even rip that off. So where I have mine placed, it doesn't touch the dash, so I will not be using this extra bracket here for support. But there it is, and I didn't want to block the vent all the way. So one button press, drop my phone in, squeeze, there it is. I'm ready to get out. Press the button, releases, grab my phone. Simple as that. It was made from pretty nice materials. It's finished real nice. Doesn't look like a hunk of junk. Nice plastic.